Hello, Inlings! How are you? I hope you are wonderful today. We went to the farm yesterday. Do you remember? I had lots of fun. I saw a cow and I milked the cow. It was great, but it was very, very hard. I couldn't do it very well. Today, we want to make a craft, a cow. So let's get started. What do we need? A marker, glue, scissors, a stick, a wooden stick, or a popsicle stick, green paper, black paper, pink paper, and white paper. Put everything aside. Pick up your white paper. Draw an oval. Draw an oval. I am drawing an oval. 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 Now cut the oval. Cut. Cut, cut, cut. I am cutting the oval. The oval is gonna be the face of the cow. I am cutting. I am cutting. I am cutting. Repeat with me, repeat. I am cutting. So this is my oval. This is my oval. Now we need to draw the mouth of the cow. This is how I am going to draw the mouth of the cow. First, I will draw an oval again. Oval. See? Oval. Now cut around the pink oval. Use your pink paper. Cut, cut, cut. Cut, cut, cut. I am cutting the pink paper. Like this. And now cut a little piece from the bottom. This is the cow's mouth, like this. Now glue it on the face, like this. Glue it. So open your glue and glue the mouth on the face. Let me cut this extra part off. Okay, now glue it on the face. Like this. Now we need black paper. I want to put the spots on the face. Cows have spots on their body. Spots, 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 spots. Spots everywhere. Pick up your marker. Draw two spots. Close your marker so it doesn't get dry. Look, these are the cow's spots. Now cut around the spots. I am cutting the spots. I am cutting the black paper. I am cutting the spots. 1, 2. I am cutting the black paper. Now, you have to glue the black paper on the cow. I want this to be here. And this spot, how about here? So glue it on. Glue. Glue. Glue the spots on the cow. I'm gonna put more glue so the spots don't fall off. Okay. Now put the nose. Put the nose. Draw 2 nose. 1, 2. 1, 2. And now we need 2 eyes. I have googly eyes. Look at these. 1, 2. 2 eyes. I'm gonna use these, but you can draw the eyes with your marker. So I'm gonna glue the eyes on the cow. 1 eye, 2 eyes. Cow, cow. The cow is hungry. Here, let me hold it closer so you can see my cow. Cow. The cow is hungry. So pick up your green paper. Pick up your green paper and cut thin stripes. Very thin stripes like this. I am cutting thin stripes like this. Look, very thin. Cut how many? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cut 5 stripes. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pick up your stripes. Pick up your stripes and crumble the stripes. Crumble. This is grass. We are gonna glue the grass in the cow's mouth like this. Put glue in the mouth and put the grass pieces on the mouth. Glue the grass on the mouth. Look, the grass. The cow is yum 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 eating the grass. Put more grass, more grass. The cow is very, very hungry. So put more grass in the cow's mouth. Cow. The cow is yum 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 eating. And now glue your stick to the bottom of the cow. Or you can use tape. Tape. I will use tape. Where is my tape? I will use glue. So put glue or tape on the bottom of the cow and glue the stick on. Cow. The cow is eating. Yum 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 yum. The cow is eating. This is our... Oh! Look at the cow. What is missing? Eyes? The cow has 2 eyes. 1, 2. What is missing? Nose? No, the cow has a nose. A mouth? No, the cow has a mouth. The cow is eating grass. What is missing? Yes! Ears! Ears! The cow needs ears. So let's draw the ears. Pick up your white paper. Pick up your white paper and draw. Where is my marker? Here it is. Draw 2 big ears like this. Ears. 2 ears. I have 2 ears. The cow has 2 ears. And now cut the ears. Cut, 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 cut. 1 ear. 2 ears. The cow has 2 ears. I have 2 ears. Now glue the ears on the cow. Glue the ears on the cow. 1, 2. Look at my cow. Now it's better. The cow has 1, 2 eyes. The cow has 2 eyes. The cow has 2 ears. The cow has 1 mouth. This is my cow. This is my cow. Great! Now I have a cow puppet.
Hello, I am a cow. I can eat grass. I have 2 eyes. I have 2 ears. I have 1 mouth. I am eating. I can eat. I can't fly.
Cow, cow.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack, quack here and a quack, quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack, quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a woof woof here and a woof woof there, here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cat, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there, here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
I had a great time today. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, inlings. I love you.